Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Just to say hi and hello from here, Quebec, Canada. And you are watching at Almi 425 TV. I just said good morning simply because uh, it's 11:24 a.m. in the morning, Tuesday, August 20. So usually in our videos, in our vlogs, we usually take the updated or the recent weather check, date check, and the time check. But for today's vlog, we will just have a quick vlog. We will be focusing on about the reverse vending machine. And for you to see this one, let's get right straight into it. All right, here we go. So right there in front of you, there are 10 pieces white buckets, and this is what I'm saying. Let's go and look at it quickly. So actually there are only 5 which is having inside. So this is 1, this is 2, the plastic bottles. So there are Red Bull, there are, what's this, Beach Peach, of course, Coke Diet. Here in the plastic bottles, Lego, Chocola. There are Coke Diet and everything. Third one. Fourth one. There are some Smirnoff vodka. What's this one? Blue Monkey sparkling, whatever. And this is the last one, which is having A&W root beer, some Bud Light. So these are the 5 buckets that we will gonna use for the reverse vending machine. And now we are back, so we are ready, and we will gonna put all together the tin cans and the plastic bottle. Let's go. So at first, we have the plastic bag or garbage bag, whatever, where we will put it all together. So first bucket, we are having Red Bull Blue. Second one, we are having Red Bull Apricot. So noisy, by the way. Third one, we are having what's this one? C4 Performance Energy. By the way, we do have some, of course, the famous Heineken. There are some, of course, having Coca-Cola. So it's mixed. Fourth bucket. Fifth bucket. So it's about the plastic bottles. So now it's all done. Here you go. You'll see. There is brisk. There is sparkling water. There is root beer, whatever. So let's go. And now we are outside. Let's go with the reverse vending machine. Let's go. So this is it. All together. It's almost half garbage bag. Let's go. And go with me how we will gonna sell this in the reverse vending machine. We are approaching the IGA supermarket, where we will take the reverse vending machine to sell our tin cans and plastic bottles. Actually, there is a bigger collection plants or collection factory, I don't know what they call it, which are accepting all kinds of bottles, tin cans, plastic bottles, ceramic bottles, whatever, maybe cartons as well. So there is a fire truck in here. So later on, let's go. And now we are here, guys, in the reverse vending machine of IGA. So this is our tin cans and plastic bottles. So to start off, let's put in here to scan each pieces, and then it will come here in the screen, 10 cents of each. So let's go. Like that, 10 cents. Take one. 20 cents. 30 cents. Let's take Bud Light. 40 cents. Let's take Red Bull. 50 cents. Let's take Red Bull Big. 70 cents. Heineken. 70 cents. Brisk bottle. Not accepting. 80 cents. So as what we can see, there are some tin cans which is not accepting. So later on, guys, we will gonna show you what are those tin cans that this machine is not accepting. And we are here left 10 items. We have last two. We have the last one. I guess this is not accepting vodka soda. Let's see once more. It's not accepting. So this is our total payment, $8.30. We'll press the payment and it will go out the receipt. Here you go. So this is what we have.
Wow.
$8.30, 83 pieces.
Wow.
So let's come inside and get the encashment. And now we are back here, guys, at our home. It's a bit hot outside. That's why we need to walk fast to be back home fast as well. So here we go. This is what happened. So what we have sold in the reverse vending machine, it was 83 pieces. As I shown to you earlier, the all what we've got, 83 pieces. It's a mix of a tin cans and a plastic bottle. So one piece each, either tin cans or plastic bottle, it costs 10 cents of a Canadian dollar. So 83 pieces times 0.10 Canadian cents or Canadian dollars, it will be $8.30. So there are tin cans and plastic bottles which is being not accepted by the reverse vending machine, and I'm gonna show it to you so you will be aware also if you are selling as well in your areas or whatever. So to start off, this is a plastic bottle, Prime. So this is a hydration drink. Okay, it's a 500 ml quantity. And as far as I can see, it doesn't have any fault or whatever why it's not being accepted. It has a clear barcode. There is no dent, there is no curve, there is no cut, whatever, but it's not being accepted. So as I mentioned earlier, there are some collection points, collection places, collection plants, collection factory, whatever you can call it. where they are accepting all kinds of plastic bottles, small, medium, large, extra large bottles, plastic bottles, glass bottles, all kinds of tin cans, maybe even cartons as well. I don't know yet, but it's for me to find out soon. So watch out for our vlogs. So the second one is this one. Okay, it's a chocolate drink, milk to go. So the barcode is clear, and it says here recyclable refund, but it's not being accepted here in the IGA supermarket reverse vending machine. So I don't know why. The third one is a sparkling raspberry drink. Okay. So the barcode is clear, and the plastic bottle is on good condition, no curve, bent, cut, whatever, but it's still not being accepted. Next one, the big Red Bull. So it's a 473 ml. 473 ml. Okay. So the barcode is clear. The tin can is in good shape, but I don't know why it's not being accepted. So it's a lesson learned. So this is a C4 energy performance drink. So probably it's a energy drink. So two of those, it's not being accepted. And lastly, but not the least, the vodka drink raspberry peach flavor. The barcode is clear, like this, but I don't know, it's not being accepted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So imagine if this is being accepted. So the one we got there is 83 pieces, $8.30, plus this 7 is equivalent to 70 cents of a Canadian dollar. So 83 plus 7, it should be 90 pieces mixed of tin cans and plastic bottles. So supposed to be, I should get $9, but that is life. So it's not all accepted here in the reverse vending machine. So that's only what we've got, $8.30. So that's all, folks, and I hope you enjoyed this short vlog, and I hope you will be staying always safe. And don't forget to hit the like button, put some comments on it, let me know what's your comments for this video or with my other videos out there. Share it, and don't forget to please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be able to be updated for our upcoming videos soon. So until next time, guys, bye bye.